Sachin, welcome to Plant Chennai. Great to have you here. Sachin, you have been around the plant now for quite a time in the morning, and you have been seeing our production facility, you have seen the products which we are doing. What is your first impression?
First of all, welcome to all of you. As a child, I remember dreaming of BMW and owning one, but I never thought I would be here. When I was contacted by BMW and they asked me, would you want to visit our plant and see how we assemble all the cars? It was a dream come true for me. Great opportunity as being a car enthusiast to actually understand what goes behind building a super world-class car. I met the employees, the 550 employees, and also felt the energy. So it's been a enriching experience. So thank you very much for making this day special for me.
You're welcome. Sachin, in Plant Chennai we have created some values which are very important to strengthen the team spirit for our associates, which will at the end generate in higher quality and productivity as well. So our values for Plant Chennai, for example, are trust and respect, taking ownership to be responsible for what you do, and to have transparency. We always include our associates in everything what we do. They are informed what's going on. Are there some parallels to your work?
I was just going to say that. I almost interrupted you, but there are similarities. In our team also, you got to trust each other. When we played, it was all about teamwork. Trusting your partner. When somebody calls you for a quick single, you trust his judgment. You don't look behind. You just run. So similarly, I'm sure I experienced that energy here. Also, something which is really important is respecting your opposition. And that is something we discussed in the team meeting. Yes, we want to go out and beat our competitors. But at the same time, not to forget the values, not to play the game in the wrong spirit. It should be competitive, but be played in the right spirit. And for that, above all, you need to respect sport and your opposition.
Thanks, it's very nice said. So Sachin, just bringing you here to have a few words would not be enough for us. So we have prepared something for you, and actually I hope it works out, but we would like Sachin actually to build a car behind us. And I've learned you have gone around today and you found somebody that could help you.
Yeah, I was looking around here and I've identified my team's captain here who's going to help me assemble the car again, because we've already done it. I've practiced and I've understood how it's done. So I'd like to call Venkat. Please, Venkat, come and join us, and also ask your team to come here. You can introduce them. Welcome.
Let me introduce myself.
Okay, so that's Naresh and that's Mari. So we're going to do the same thing what we did earlier, okay? It was exciting and something which I've never done in my life. So first-hand experience of knowing what goes on in this amazing plant is a memorable thing for me. Let's do something which nobody has seen.
Okay, what we have today in production, on this line today we have the 5 series. On the other line we are doing the 3 series. But I've asked Sachin to build actually one of the 520 diesels which are right now here at the station. So he has chosen his team captain Venkat and his associates, and actually a very experienced man. He has been with us. He's one of the first days in Plant Chennai. So Sachin, I would ask you to join the team, and I will tell a little bit what you are doing now. Thanks, Philip.
Yep.
So actually what you see now, we are here at the so-called wedding station. In this station, we bring the car, the body, together with the whole heart of BMW, with the engine, transmission and axle set. The whole set is pre-assembled outside the line, and now Sachin, Venkat and his team, they push the table with the transmission set and the engine underneath the car. Okay, Sachin, we can go ahead. Go. So this car will be a special Sachin edition, 520 diesel.
Excellent.
So the first step now is actually Sachin goes around the set and he has to connect the propeller shaft to the transmission set. Yeah. Actually what you see here is a 2-liter diesel engine. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission set. And as you might be aware, the 8-speed automatic transmission of BMWs are highly efficient and dynamic. And they also have a very low fuel consumption.
Excellent. Hold on. Yeah, there we go.
After having fixed the propeller shaft, together with the colleagues here,
I've figured out now what
we will lower down the body.
Excellent. Thank you.
The body is now lowered down to the transmission and engine set. The BMW 520d has a 2-liter engine.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।